hate that it's been so long, everyone. I'm gonna start making this consistent. Money Mike, he's been busy, so I'm gonna be taking over the Manic Money Finance channel. We might change that, might change it to something else. Who knows? But we got to keep the ball rolling. I can't leave all of you out because I know you need some information. All right. Do we have okay, it looks like I got some good levels here. I know you all need the information. I'm going to stay here, try to run this myself. All right. So what's going on with Bitcoin, right? Bitcoin crazy few days here. Let's jump in the charts, right? Let's jump right into the charts because you know what? Why do I love the charts? Well, the charts are going to tell you long before the news is going to tell you. I'll see what happens in the charts first. All right? So let's get into it. Let's get into it. All right. Bitcoin. So crazy volatility today. We dumped all the way down. It was like in the 59,000. Oh my goodness. Luckily, I had closed my long. I longed at 72,000, ladies and gentlemen. And I watched everything crash. But guess what? I was able to get out $80 in profit. How is that possible? Well, I can't show you all the secrets here on the channel. I have so many things we can go over, but let's just say I know a technique to use that can basically, you will never need to take a loss ever again as long as you can see the high probability reversal. All right. So let's get into this. Is my I'm gonna go into the demo account. We're gonna do a live trade. I opened a trade before we got into the stream. So why did I open the trade? We're in $370 in profit. I'm gonna probably close that. But I saw us get above the 200. See, we're getting this crossover right now. I'm gonna actually let it ride, but we're gonna let this. It's gonna pull back right as this white line crosses over the yellow line. And you know what? I'm gonna take profits. Boom. I just paid myself. Okay, it's a demo account, I know. But I want to show everybody in the stream that I will be profitable using just a demo account. And you all need to just demo trade. Demo trade for the next 3-4 years. Get your system down. Don't risk any more money in these markets. You will just lose it. Okay? There's no point in risking your own money. I'm going to show you the formula. If you tune in every single day, I'm going to show you how to make money. And people who say, oh, you can't trade Bitcoin. Well, guess what? If you use the right strategy, you can make a lot of money. All right. But first, you need to have the discipline to be able to save $5,000. Don't watch these YouTube channels that say, oh, I will show you how to make $100,000 with $100 in your account. I'm sorry. That's crap. I don't mean to use harsh language there, but that's just crap. Okay? If you made $100,000 off a $100 trade, well, I'm sorry. You just got lucky. And there's no skill involved in that. I'm going to show you the skill. I'm going to show you the technique. I'm going to show you what the professionals have showed me. I'm going to bring it to you, okay? If you tune into this channel every day, 5 o'clock, all right? I'm going to start being more consistent. Every day, we're going to be going into the trades. I'm going to show you exactly what I do and how to make money, okay? So as you can see, we just closed a $350 trade. Now my demo account, which is you can only fund yourself $50,000, we're up $5,000. All right, boom, right, 10%. I'm already 10% up in the demo account, and every day you're gonna tune in. I'm gonna show you the skill, and we're gonna grow this demo account to $100,000. All right, and you're gonna all be showing. I'm gonna show all of you that This is possible. You can do this yourself. You just have to have the discipline. You have to show up every day, and you just got to educate yourself. You got to look into what is divergences. What are the SMA crossovers? You know, what is RSI? I want you all to look this stuff up. This is so important. All right. So we closed the trade. Boom. Showed you, right? Showed you right off the bat that we closed the trade $350. Right now, okay, what am I waiting for? See, I'm waiting for this price action to come back to touch the white line. And then I'll set another trade. All right, we'll go over this in live time. It looks like after the big dump here today, we have some opportunity. I want everybody to know that. This is right off the stream. We're getting right into it. I'm going to show you money-making strategies, not this crap that YouTube bros, crypto bros, oh, it's going to go up because of this news. No, I'm going to show you the technicals. I'm going to show you the patterns. I'm going to show you high probability trades that have a high likelihood of playing out. Now, I want to get this off my chest. This channel is not financial advice. Okay, we might use real examples of equities, bonds, securities, assets, but we are not a channel that is going to give you financial advice. If you are looking for some financial advice, please seek a professional. I am not a professional. Okay, I know nothing but the fact of my own ignorance. Okay, and I want to say I'm a crypto lifer. So I want to, if you guys are checking out the crypto channels, go on over to Sam's page, go check out Crypto Lifer. Everything that I've learned has come mostly from the Crypto Lifer. I got to give him credit because he has changed my life, and I want to help change everybody else's life in this live stream here today. So what are the tools? Let's go over the basics today. All right, I want to go over some of the basics so I don't leave any of the newcomers in the dust, because I know this can be very overwhelming. How do I get started in crypto? How do I start saving the money? How do I get into the charts? Corey, it's so confusing. RSI, divergences, liquidity, volume, all these words, they sound like a whole new language to me. I get it, all right? I totally get it. And I was exactly where you are 5 years ago. And I showed up every day. I received the education, and now I'm bringing the education to you, and I want to get you on the same page. Okay, so let's jump into it. Right? How do I know what is a high probability trade? How did I know? Let's go over. How did I know that the trade I entered before the live stream was going to most likely pay me? Okay, well, check it out. It's simple, right? And I'm going to go over this technique in every single live stream until I drill it into your head, because it took multiple times for me to understand it, okay? What we have here with the lines, right? If we don't look at price action, we have the white line and the yellow line. We also have a blue line, a purple line, and a red line. I want you guys and gals to not pay attention. Let's take away the red, purple, and blue line, all right? Let's take away those. And just leave the 200 and the 21. Now, this is very important. The strategy I'm going to show you, and that Sam Price has shown me on the Crypto Lifer channel, is that we're going to get price action after, when we are expecting a reversal. We're going to see price action break above the 21. See how it broke above the 21 here, and it kind of faked us out and then dropped back down? And then it broke back above. So when we see price go above the white line here, this is a signal that our price is about to reverse. And we're going to watch this, right? If price is below the white line, see how it dropped below, and it was in a downtrend, and the white line acted as resistance at that point. Boom, it came up, touched it, and it said, no, 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 you're going down. See, we had a little fake out here. This is something right here that a lot of people probably took the trade, and I would have probably, I would have taken that trade. And if you had taken the trade, you would have gotten hurt if you did not set up stop loss. Now, you don't need to set up a stop loss, all right? That's something for another topic. I can show you how to get out of position even if you longed at the high. There's a technique that you do not have to take a loss ever again. But we are not going to get into that today. I'm going to simply go over the 21 moving average crossover. The 21 is going to move and cross over the 200 moving average. What is the 200? That's the yellow line. See this? See, as soon as we cross over this yellow line, price action broke up, almost touched, and it kept going. And then I was out of the trade. That was before. As soon as we broke below. It's that easy, folks. So now look at it again. We have come up and we made the crossover. Now, this price action, I have to admit, lately it has been all over the place, and you need to pay yourself right off the bat. If you do not pay yourself, price is going to go in the opposite direction, and you're going to be in the negative. That's why as soon as I opened up the live stream, we closed the trade and we paid ourselves, because it's that easy, all right? And we can always re-enter after, right? So I talked about the moving averages. Let's go over something else. I saw the moving average cross over, but that was not all I have when I entered a trade. If I simply had just entered a trade every time the moving averages crossed over, I would lose money, because Bitcoin loves to fake you out all the time. So what was Confluence? What is Confluence? It's another piece of evidence in my technical analysis that I see that aligns with my belief. Okay, if I think it's going up, I think this, and what else confirms that belief? Okay, so we had the moving average crossover. Stick with me here. What I use is the Fibonacci retracement tool. Okay, this is basically like a measuring tape for trading. We're going to measure the golden pocket. What's the golden pocket? The golden pocket is where price likes to retrace most of the time. We see institutions like to draw the price down into this area before reversal. So I set up my Fibonacci tool a specific way, and basically what we're looking for is the 618 retracement, the 706, and the 786 retracement. These are the key secret levels here. So I saw and I pulled the Fibonacci. Let me get that. Fibonacci is the measurement tool. I pulled the Fibonacci from the low here all the way to the high. And when I did that, see the white line, how I have it set up, price action went right to the 618. When price action goes to the 618 and respects the 618 or this golden pocket, that tells me that there's a reversal in price and that there's a high likelihood that we have a reversal on our hands. Not only that, but if you look at our RSI, I saw that we had some bullish divergence in here as well. Now since then we have some bearish divergence, which is not the greatest, and now it's looking like price is struggling to get back over the 21 since it's crossed over. And it's reclaiming it right now. See, now the Stokes are low. See, the stochastics are pointing up. When I want to enter a trade, I want the stochastics to be pointing up. So that is some of the basic strategy right there I wanted to get into. Let's see, do we have any comments here? Any comments? No, nothing. I don't see any. It's been a little while, so I get it. Probably no one's watching right now, but we are going to build this account, right? I'm going to show you in live time that we're going to change $50,000 into $100,000. All right? We're going to do this every single day, and we're going to be consistent. So a lot of you probably don't know I'm moving to Colorado here. So it's going to be a little crazy for me these next week. I'm going to be driving out. I have to be packing up. As you can see, everything in my studio is packed up into some boxes, and it's just been chaos lately. I've been trading. I've been focusing on that, but I haven't been able to focus on the YouTube channel and everything that I want to do. Move into my next career field. For those who don't know, I'm currently a manual machinist, and the company I work for, I've given my 2 weeks, and it's not the best for them because I'm a very key player in the company. So it's sad for me to go, but it's time that I move on. So I'm gonna really commit to this trading thing. I want to show up every day for you guys. I want to be here and show you that you can make money on Bitcoin, on crypto, on the NASDAQ. We're gonna go through everything. We're not just gonna stick to crypto. We're gonna be going into traditional finance. I'm going to be talking about gold and silver. We're going to be talking about investing and building our money and saving for the future, okay? So now we see price action losing the 200, okay? So this was another example of a fake out. But see, now can the price respect the 618? Or will it respect the 200? That's something we'll watch in live time. But as I talked about, it looks like I'm gonna need to find new work here, and I'm hoping that maybe I can make this my new job. If that's what you guys want, everybody, ladies and gentlemen, if that's what you want, hit the like. So. Watching in live time. RSI is curling down, kind of a little sketchy. Tells me we can pull back a little bit more. We have this tail. Seems that the 200s, see, it's being disrespected right now. And then see, if you wanted to front run this, let's see, 61,132. So we come in here and do our demo account. 61,132. We can put a $10,000 limit order into there. Oops, that was only 1,000. We want another 9,000 there. So now we entered the trade with a limit order there. It didn't. Oh, I guess it filled the order. I was expecting to go to 618, but I guess we're on the ride anyway. So let me show you. Respecting the 200 right now. Okay, we're in the oversold region of the RSI. Let's look at Bookmap, right? Bookmap is going to be an order liquidity heat map. It's going to show us where are the orders. Forgive me, my memory is a little slow. Here we go. So what do we got here? What are we looking at? See, it looks like we have some orders below us, right? We got the 61,150. That makes sense because, right, 61,150 would be right in the golden pocket. But we also have these tails. See, now if we're in a real bullish environment, the 0.5 will be respected. Sometimes it won't even go to the 618. It'll just bounce off the 0.5. And right now it looks like that's kind of the case. It could be disrespected. But we'll see. Right now, price is above the 200, which is a good sign. Okay. Watching this. See if the RSI will curl up. If not, if we go down to 618, I'm gonna add another $10,000 to the trade. So what happens is I enter into the trade at a small amount. If I see, say, like the price action is respecting the 200 right now, I enter a small amount in because it could go down a little bit more. And what we do when we go down, we average our position in. This allows us to save, say, ammo for later in case we need it, because I'll show you, we can never, if we don't want a loss, we don't have to take a loss as long as you have enough ammo. And what do I mean by ammo? It means how much capital you have in your account, how much leverage are you using, and all this goes into being able to mitigate a position. If something goes wrong, something doesn't play out, we can always mitigate a position. What do I mean by mitigate? Basically, I can close the position at a 0 P&L, meaning no loss. And I have multiple examples of this. I was $1,500 down in a long trade. I longed at 73,000, and I was able to close my long position that was $10,000. I was able to close that long position in $80 of profit at $67,000. Now, how is that possible? Well, you're going to have to stick around to the channel and watch to find out, because I'm not just going to give it away. But just know, you don't have to take a loss unless you want to do it for tax purposes. So that's one thing, but I'm sitting here right now telling you, you don't have to take a loss ever again. All right, coming down into the 618 here. I'm probably about to add another $10,000 into this, into the golden pocket there. See if we can fill this. These tails are telling me there's a lot of buying that's going on here. All right, let's see you go down. Yep. Let's see if we can get this order filled. It's close. Get that 618. See, ladies and gentlemen, what we're doing is buying red candles. Almost. See, these tails are telling me we're getting a lot of buying pressure here. I don't want to bore you though, but hey, if there's any comments, any questions, please post them down below. I'm glad to help. If you're watching this if you're watching this later on, still post a comment down below. I'm gonna look back at the video. I'm willing to help you guys and gals in your trading, how to make money, and this is how we make money, right? Getting close to that. Yep. Looks like it's going to fill. Getting close. It's so close. What does Bookmap say? Bookmap, yeah, says 61,100 is where the most orders are. Right? That could be stop losses. Right? People who are going long that don't know about the golden pocket. I'm teaching you. I'm teaching all of you right now what the golden pocket is. Oh yeah, it's so, yep. Could just reverse here, and that's fine, because we're already $10,000 into the trade. If it goes down to the 618, I'm adding some more. If it goes down to 786, I'm adding some more. And if it fails, guess what? I'm walking away. I'm not setting a stop loss. You're like, what? What? Yeah, we ain't setting a stop loss. I'm show you how to do this on another level. And what I'm going to show you, it takes nerves of steel. You're going to be going deep into the negative. You're going to have to be okay with that. You're going to have to be okay with sitting at a $1,500 possible loss. But guess what? you can mitigate the position. See, okay, look, boom, boom, right? Right at the 618, order filled. All right. Should we layer another one? Should we layer another one? Should we wait? Right now, price went to the 618. Let's see if we get a bounce. All right. And everybody can watch live time the magic of the Fibonacci. I could be wrong. You know, this is all based off of statistics and probabilities. I back tested these strategies, so you're gonna watch in live time how that works. We get a little curl to the RSI. See that? A little that curl. Could just curl back down, but let's see what happens. If this starts pointing up, that's the first sign. Oh yeah, we got some money here, right? We got the orders, right? We got some orders sitting above us, and we got some orders sitting below us. Most likely these are limit orders, smart money like us, right? Okay, so we're going a little bit more down. $50 in the negative, right to the 786. I'm going to add another $10,000 to that right here and now. Boom. For $30,000 into the trade. Boom, right? Now we're getting that strong candle. Look at that, okay? Might get wrecked. At this point, I'm going to put a stop loss right below that 786. It's 60,986. All right. 60,986 is where we're going to put the stop loss. $60,986. So we lose $71, which is about 1%, a little bit more, which is fine. All right. Now let's see if it's gonna respect, because if it does not respect this, I don't want to be in the trade. I'm gonna get out. So that's what the plan is. If it does not go to your original plan, guess what? Price ain't gonna. We don't work off of hopes and prayers here. All right. Now, yeah. Sorry, looking a little sketchy. We don't run off of that. I'm actually gonna 60,962. I'm gonna lower this because it could go down to 786 still. But right now it seems like it's respecting. Golden pocket. Let's see if we can get the trade, people. RSI is curling up, telling us we got some gas here. We got some gas. We're in the oversold. Let's see if we can get that bounce off the 786 618 golden pocket. If you like this content, make sure you hit that like and subscribe button. We're going to be doing this every day. Live trading. I'm going to teach y'all how to do this with real money. I'm going to show you that, okay, yeah, you don't have to risk real money at first. You can do the demo account like me. You can work with Corey. See, look at that. Boom. Boom, right? Boom. Boom. I'm showing you, guys. Everyone, come on. See, now it's touching the 200. It's touching the 200. Can we break above that 200? It's going to get a little resistance, right? A little resistance. RSI is in the middle, so it tells us we still have a little gas here. We got some gas, and now it could get pinned up into the extreme too. So let's watch for that, right? Beautiful bounce in the golden pocket there. Let's get some follow through. Let's see it. Let's come on. Punch through the 200. Here we go. Boom. Right? Okay. Let's see if we can hold. All right. 21's getting a little bit of rejection. Right? Okay. Yep. Curling down. What's going on? We're watching our RSI too. So getting a little trouble at the 200 here. Gotta watch this. Right? So yeah, let's keep it going. And once we get through this, I'm gonna see if we can close or we're gonna keep going, because it's gonna either cross below, which is bearish. These tails are telling me. Look at these tails, right? Tails are telling me they're getting a little sell pressure here, and the RSI is starting to get up in the oversold. Okay, look at this. Yeah, kind of curling down. I'm getting out. Am I getting out? Hold off here. Hold off. It's respecting the 618. So let's stick to the plan, all right? Let's not get paper hands now. All right. Yeah, it's not looking like we might get a rejection here. Wait for it. Yeah, wait for it. Could even come back, right? So he could even do a little bit. He could even do a 618 on this, right? Before it could come back here and then punch through. So, I mean, there is that. We're going to hold, though. We're not going to get too scared. We're not going to let the emotions take over what's going on here. We're front running the cross because it's okay. Yep, there we go. Yep, that's what we like to see. That's what we like to see. Now we're getting above the 21, curling up. There we go. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Folks, if you like what you're seeing here, make sure you hit that like button. Right? We're gonna get close. So yeah, we're at $60 in profit here. Get back above that 21 there. Get back above that 20. Oh yeah, it's showing signs of weakness. Showing little signs of weakness. This is trading, everyone. Okay? Yeah, this is trading. So let's see if the 21, now that's above the 21, right? Can now this act as resistance? Can it pop up? Look how tight these moving averages are. No. Yeah, looks like. Look, that's. No, that's not. No. We're closing that. We're closing that with $40. I know it's small. Okay, 37, right? I know it's small, but as soon as I saw that, I'm like, no. I just know. I'm gonna take my money. Take my money, right? I'm gonna pay it myself. And that's a good thing. Look at that. Harsh rejection. Harsh rejection. I just wasn't getting that good feeling. Usually you get that good, warm, fuzzy feeling inside you, but no. That's why I took my money, and that's why I took it. It was $40. Yeah, it was small, but guess what? Not in the negative. Not gonna be caught on the downside of this. Okay, so we're trading the 1 minute there. All right, the 15 minute, it's above the 21, right? And we got this bullish divergence, so that is a good sign. Right now, we can pop up all the way to 200 on the 15 minute, which would put us right at the $62,837, which would, be kind of an SR flip, right? Come up to here and then drop down some more. I'm looking at 58K, everyone. I'm looking at 58K here. So I'm all tethered up. I got about I got some good money on the side. I was able to sell back up in the high 60s, thank the Lord. Because I saw this coming. I knew I could just look. I just looked at the charts. I just knew it. And if you've been watching the channel, you would have known too. So All right. Want to make sure y'all got that. We're going to be growing this account. We're already up 10%. All right. We're going to be growing the account. I'm going to be tuning in every day. I'm going to show up for you guys. All right. Look at this. All right. Rejection. All right. With that, I'm going to end the stream. Looks like we're going to make some dinner here. Girlfriends showed up at the house. We're going to be going in. All right, everyone. If you want any information on how to trade, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not a professional. I want to get that through y'all's head. Like, I'm not going to be able to do that for you. But what I can do is show you what I do and document what I do every single day. And that's why y'all going to tune in, because you're going to see what I do, all right? But with that, I'm going to sign out. Make sure, okay, so yeah, look at this. Bitcoin, there's opportunities, even though we're going down, all right? I want everyone to know there's an opportunity. If you liked what you've seen today, make sure you hit the like, subscribe button. We got a lot of content coming to you. If you want to learn how to trade, stick in to this stream every day and watch how I trade, all right? I'm not going to teach you what to do financially, but you can watch what I do. That's all I'm going to tell you. All right, everyone. I'm going to get some dinner. It's getting late. I got work tomorrow. But, yeah, stick to the stream every day. I'm going to help you out. All right? Peace out.